Hi guys, so today we're gonna go to an exhibition.
We are going to an exhibition.
Yeah.
And what have you got in your bag?
So I got my phone and some Mentos.
You got your phone and some Mentos.
Yeah.
And so you are excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Yay!
Let's go. Aryan.
Yeah.
Hi.
In the light of the moon, like I'm living in a dream.
So Aryan, we are at the Westralia Square.
Yeah.
Are we going down now? I think that only comes up.
Like I'm
Is it cold?
living in my dream.
Can we go that way? Can we go here?
We already got tickets, right?
Yeah. We already got tickets. Yes, we do. Yay! We are at the home show.
Alright, let's go inside.
Let's go inside. We got the tickets. And now we're again.
Is it like the other time? Or what is this?
No, I think this is not like the other time. This is just normal, like, exhibits. That's it.
What is this game for?
It's for houses and stuff. How do you feel? How do you feel?
You try. Here, let me hold it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's like massages every bone of your back.
Yeah, it's massaging everything, isn't it?
Yeah. I got some
Quite
Mentos.
strong.
Wait, next before I went, I was going to get
So I spun the wheel and I landed on the protein ball. So I'm gonna eat it.
Yay!
It feels
You got a
very
protein
nice.
bar.
Yeah, it feels very nice.
Yeah. Nice.
Actually, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna keep it in my bag.
You can use
I'm
it
gonna
now.
keep it. I'm not gonna. What is this? Can I take it?
Origin energy, yeah, you can.
Whoa. Oh, it's a magnet. I think. I'm gonna put it in my phone because I have that. I'm gonna put it in my phone because I have that. You know that pocket thing where you put your credit cards and stuff or your cards. Oh, it's already full. But I can put it in my phone. Dun-dun-dun.
vacuums and stuff.
Yeah.
Home appliances. Shall we do that for
What is that thing?
I don't know. Oh wait, that's the inside of that.
Oh. So it's a body massaging thing.
What did you get crushed under?
It's a crusher.
Yeah, like a car crusher.
It's got a pink one. It's got a food court here. Some mega spa.
What is this? It's an off and on.
Yeah. Do you wanna jump in, Arya? What is it? Whoa. Oh.
It just like sits up. Oh look that, look that.
So we got some real water here. Do you wanna jump in?
No,
Just once?
no. It's wet.
Do you wanna go up? We are inside a tiny house. Got the toilet and everything here. Whoa, that nice little shower. That's the living area. Wow. So we just came out of a tiny house, isn't it? So look at this.
Oh come here, look at this.
Whoa.
Where is she?
You wanna get in? Let's get in. Ooh, it's a tiny house. Again, another one. Whoops. They got a tiny garden here. Hello.
Try and
No, 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 no.
It's like a classic timber studio, Aryan.
What? Yeah, I am with you. There, I'm just on this side. There's a rubber ducky.
It again has a pressure, Aryan pressure points there.
You found a rubber ducky in there.
There's a crocodile. There's a crocodile on the floor.
Where?
Here, see, it's at the end. Come here, come here. It's
Oh, there's a croc there.
That's a platypus. It's a platypus.
Oh, it's a platypus, yeah.
It's a platypus.
Oh, okay.
Oi, no.
It did a front flip and a back flip.
It did a black backflip
Yeah.
and he just chucked the water on everyone.
I thought there was no water in it.
Oh, come on, mate.
Fountain. So cold.
Little fountain.
Thank you. I shared it.
So Aryan, you just spun the wheel.
I just got $200, but I have to pay some. Get that
So you need to pay to get $200. Oh, what kind of $200 is that then? You have to pay to get $200.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's a gift card.
Let's go over there. Look at those. What are these? What is it? like a hobbit's house, isn't it? See?
Oh, you can open it?
Yeah. Go.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Yeah, look, I can see that. I thought you were going to close me in.
It's really warm and cozy.
It's like a sauna.
It is a sauna.
Come on.
Oh, look. Let's go to the next one. It's so cold up here. This one is a small one. It's 12:09 a.m. It's so hot. Come here, come here. It's 70 degrees in here.
So hot.
Yeah, look, look. Oh, look at
Yeah,
that.
after a cold swim, Aryan, you and Dada, you both go inside
65
and enjoy the warmth of this entire sauna. Yeah, that's really good.
hot. I'm going out.
Yeah.
Look,
It has all the heaters in
it's
at the back.
62 degrees.
That's
Not
right.
like Fahrenheit or anything.
Yes,
It's
it
like
will, the heat can go inside your bone.
actual. Yeah.
Yeah, it is that warm. You can control the temperature, Aryan. It has all the setting in there.
But it has to be only 15 minutes, not like 16.
You're going tall, mate.
Yeah. And then I just become shrunk. I shrunk.
We're done almost half of it, is it? But we still have got energy and we just not a lot. Oh yes, that's from that movie, remember? Toy Story. So these are all the beds and the side. So how do you find it?
Kind of. Because it can be bent like that.
Yeah.
The Z fold. Samsung.
Gazebo?
Z fold.
Oh yeah.
The Z fold is the Samsung.
Oh, Z Fold.
Yeah.
It's like the Z Fold. We went through the entire lot
Yeah.
and now we are planning to go home.
Not go.
No?
We're gonna go to
Some other place?
Yeah. We're gonna go and buy a
It's all smart mirrors. So we are now heading out.
There's a beautiful park in front of us.
Yes, I can get more steps.
Is it?
Yeah.
How?
Because I'm walking.
Because you're walking.
Yeah. Remember I showed you the money ball?
Yeah. So we just came out of the pawn shop. You're doing your steps like that.
Yeah, so I can get extra.
Get some extra steps.
Yeah. We're gonna use that excavator. Not excavator.
Escalator. Now getting on the escalator. Where's your mommy?
Behind us.
So mommy's here.
We just finished the show and then we are going upstairs now.
Downstairs.
Can I go down and come back?
Why would you do that?
Fun. Look at this. No, let's act like we never knew that happened.
Never happened.
Yeah, let's act like nothing happened. Let's act like nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
We touched the elevator.
Uh-oh. She So we are at the Brookfield place now. And we're gonna go up in the escalator. Ah, Joe.
Orange, then green, pink, yellow, then orange again. Green,
There's a bunny there. You're gonna go and sit with the bunny.
blue. Dog as well.
Hey, bunny.
They enjoy the quiet time with friends. 2026.
Oh, it's just recently. So we're now heading back to our car.
Yeah, Aryan, what did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed those cubby houses. Those cubby houses.
Cubby houses?
Yeah,
Yes.
those like tiny ones went like that was really hot.
Yeah, the sauna.
There's sauna.
Yeah,
Sauna
sauna.
houses in the Alpine mountain.
Yeah.
They are designed for the after you have a swim in the ocean, then you can go and heat up yourself in there. Yay!
Right, so let's go home.